You're watching How Leap. Let's turn off iCloud login access on the web. Open a web browser on your computer and go to iCloud.com. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, click on your name or profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. You may need to enter your password again for security. On the Account Settings page, look for the Security section. Find the option labeled Manage next to Apps and Websites using Apple ID or similar. Click on it. Here you will see a list of websites and services that you've used. Sign in with Apple to access. Find the specific web service you want to remove and click on it. You will see an option to stop using or remove access. Confirm your choice. This revokes that website's permission to use your Apple ID for login. To sign out of iCloud.com itself, simply click your name again in the top right and select Sign Out. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.